In this video, I will guide you how you can activate your Lyca mobile eSIM. So first of all, you need to head over to their website and make sure to purchase your eSIM. Now once you have purchased your eSIM, you will gonna receive a QR code onto your email address or into the website or mobile application. Then you need to head over to your settings and then you just need to head over to the mobile or cellular and then click on setup mobile, and this is going to open up a new window where, as you can see, we have two options: transfer from nearby iPhone or use QR code. So in this case we are going to use QR code, so simply click on it and then you need to simply scan the QR code that is sent on your email address or into your website. Now once you have scanned the QR code, this is how it is going to look like, which you can simply now click on the continue on the bottom to activate your eSIM. Now it is going to take few minutes, so you need to make sure to stick around and do not close this window. And now it's time to add your cellular plan labels. Secondary eSIM will going to be the actual eSIM, which you can simply click on it and you can change its name accordingly, or you can type your own name. I will leave it secondary as it is much easier for me. Otherwise, click on the continue on the bottom, and now it's time to select your default line. Simply select the primary and then click on continue. Now as for the iMessages and FaceTime, again you can select primary and then click on continue on the bottom of your screen. And now as for the cellular data, make sure to select the secondary or any other name that you have selected, and once you have selected that, make sure that allow cellular data switching is toggle off. Now once you are done with this step, you can now open up your settings and then head over to your mobile or cellular, and now you just need to select the cellular data, which is going to be your eSIM, and make sure that data roaming for the eSIM is toggle on. So that's a way of how you can activate Lyca mobile eSIM.